Hello guys, I am back. I haven't done a video in a long time, like almost a month. But I'm back and I'm gonna unbox this charger, USB-C type. So, and it's called, I don't know, iessentials, something like that. You can see what's in the name. You can go focus. Okay. So let's go to it. So long compared to my old one. Okay. You can see, too long compared to my old one. 6 feet, does it? Oh wow, 6 feet extra long cable. Okay. 7-year warranty. Pet coated cable. Strain relief. Wow. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I know it's a short video, but tomorrow I'm gonna unbox another video and I'll upload that on Wednesday. And then Tuesday I'm gonna do another unwrapping video and I'm gonna post on Friday. So this week pretty much is unboxing. So see you guys later and have a good day.